guys, my name is Michael and I discuss about the mobiles. It is a mobile is Tecno Spark 8C. It is a price is 900,499 US one USB 121. Tecno Spark 8C price in Pakistan. Tecno Spark 8C price in Pakistan in rupees 19,499. Official dealer and warning provided regularly. The retail price of Tecno mobile products in official money. The price of Tecno Spark 8C in mobile rupees 19,499. Price in Tecno is USB is 121. Tecno Spark 8C a big battery phone. Tecno is utilize it all new Spark 8C to the market soon. The Chinese smartphone and company Tecno has released a new handset in the Spark device. The coming device of the company will be built filed phone. The newcomer will be called Tecno Spark 8C. The new smartphone will be powered by the power at chipset. The newcomer will be called Tecno Spark 8C. The new smartphone will be powered by the power chipset called Unisoc T606. The chipset is used in mid-range mobiles